just passing on our left now is actually one of the main reasons Skomer Island has got the wildlife that it does. So this is known as Jack Sound, and the water runs through here at up to 10 mile an hour, which stops any sort of rats, rodents, stoats, weasels, foxes from swimming across from the mainland and getting to the island. If they were to get to the island, well, it would be the end of Skomer Island as we know it. So an example of what goes wrong is Ramsey Island over the right hand side. So in the 1960s, a shipwreck wrecked on the island of Ramsey, bringing rats over, and they went onto the island, brought their diseases, killed all the babies, and there are no longer any puffins. So the RSPB have tried to bring them back. They put decoys, they've physically taken puffins over to the island, but none of them are coming back. So we've got to look after Skomer.
Is this the Skomer Island?
This is Middlehome. So this little island on the left we're just coming up to isn't actually part of Skomer. So this is Middlehome. It's in between the mainland and Skomer, but does not have as many birds at all. So up until last year we didn't have any nesting birds on the island other than the cormorants and the gulls, whereas this year we're starting to see signs of puffins, razorbills and guillemots nesting on the island, which can only mean that Skomer is getting so full that they're having to move somewhere else, which in turn is a good sign for Ramsey. As we come across this next little gap of water known as Little Sound, you'll start to see the three common birds on the island. So we've got three birds in the same family called the auks. They are the puffins, the guillemots and the razorbills. And to tell them apart, the puffins don't really need an introduction. They've got their bright orange bill, bright orange feet, very clown-like, kind of like a penguin but a lot smaller. You've then got the guillemots. So they're much larger than a puffin. They are chocolatey brown in colour with a very long pointy beak. And then last but not least you've got the razorbill, which are more similar size to a puffin but jet black with a more curved beak. Sometimes look a bit like a puffin but wearing a tuxedo.